morning, guys. It's bright and early. Left the hostel, which I just want to say one more time, guys. The best hostel I've ever been to. Those guys were legends, and if you're ever planning on coming to India, just go there and they will hook you up with everything. Like, they are like a one-stop shop for backpackers visiting India. So yeah, I'll link below all their stuff. Absolute legends, aren't they?
Yeah, absolutely. Best host ever, and I'm really pleased that we've done my hostel well with.
Yeah, legends. Right, we are now needing to check in for our flight. Arrive with plenty of time, and yeah, then we're off to China, Shanghai. We've just come into the lounge before our flight, and we noticed this. We noticed the massage, the magic M word. Dave,
that looks like a massage room.
you need to do that. That's a very, very important thing right now.
Let's go find out.
Okay, well, I have a delicious breakfast, and we both have a 30-minute head, neck and shoulder and back massage booked in. Pretty good start to the day. Pretty good start to the travelling today. I'm happy. You looking forward to it, Dave?
Loving it. You got to get the wins. When you can get the wins, you got to take them. And this could be a gnarly flight, so I'm feel relieved and happy.
That was by far the best chair massage, if not in the top 5 massages I've ever had. So good.
Unbelievably good. Surprisingly good.
She's very talented. She's very talented. Dave, what is going on?
We just got offered a buggy drop.
I've never been offered a buggy drop before. Where do I sit? I'm gonna sit here.
Should we take the charger out?
Dave, what is going on?
We are rolling.
Last gate.
It's the last gate.
Oh, that is just so kind.
This is just fantastic.
The amount of times we've needed this, bro.
I can't. Do you know? This is the one thing I'm looking forward to when I get really elderly. Is that I'll always be able to just cruise around on these in the airport.
And the granny mobile.
Yeah. To be fair, we are pretty old, bro. We do deserve this. No, we don't deserve it. We don't deserve it. Look at all these chumpies walking.
Louis, you're a naughty little boy. You are a naughty little boy. We're privileged and very lucky.
Excuse me.
You're such a naughty little boy.
I don't know why I find it so funny.
We just poured the water.
I find this really funny. Thank you so much. Bye. Thanks. Well, the day started off quite well, but we've been sitting now probably for an hour and a half in the plane. We still haven't taken off. It's about 50,000 degrees Celsius, and I've had to take my clothes off because I'm overheating. Not the best of flights so far. Hopefully once we take off it'll get a bit better. Well, somehow I slept the whole flight. That's pretty amazing. I was planning to sleep for half the flight and then work for half the flight, but I was so tired. And now I've just woken up in China. Well, last time I came to China, I could use Uber, but we could not get Uber working. I was just trying for like maybe even an hour, fiddling around in the internet trying to create a new account. Anyway, we eventually got in a taxi, somehow figured out where we're going, and yeah, it's the start of a new adventure. Oh, Dave, it's nuts, isn't it?
Yeah, even the simplest things we can't communicate over. They can't even read the name of the hostel in English. Yeah, it's bananas. It's a different world.
I think this is the craziest culture difference we've experienced so far.
Yeah, I haven't been to Shanghai before, only Beijing, so I'm excited to see it. So the taxi driver has taken us to the wrong road. He's taken us to a Shaanxi, but we need a Shanxi. Very similar, 1A and 2As. Everyone's trying to help. Could be a while longer. Quite an expensive taxi ride. Already at 200 and something, which is like 20 quid.
Right, we think we've arrived at our hostel. Oh, it's a bit of a fiasco, mainly because I didn't have any cash.
Check this out though, this lift only goes to even floors.
Whoa. Bro, press the thing.
And that lift only goes to odd floors.
Yeah. Here we go. Blue Mountain. Oh, this looks pretty funky.
Yeah.
Guys, check this out. Facebook, Google, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. None of this works on their normal internet. This is why I'm trying to get my VPN working. This will make it work. I just need to get this working. We've dropped our bags off and we're now going for a little explore to find food. Primarily food, and then potentially after that, massage. But primarily food.
Surprisingly quiet.
Yeah.
There's lots of people around, but there's no cars at all.
It's pretty chilled, isn't it? Yeah, this looks about right. Right, I found some street food. Turns out there's a lot of meat in China, so I'm struggling to find a vegan option, but I think I found one. I'm getting some street noodles fried up with some tofu and different bits of vegetables, mushrooms and stuff.
Can I try yours?
Yeah, it's well good.
This is not the easiest meal I've ever eaten, I'll admit, but it is tasty. Oh, it's slippery as a goose, man. Slippery as an oily goose.
Well, this is our little room for the next 4 days. It's pretty cute, this little bunk bed. I like it. So since the Solvi trip began, over the last week or so, a lot of you have been asking, where's Raya? Have we broken up? What's going on? No, we haven't broken up. She's obviously not with me and Dave. She's actually been travelling a bit herself, and now she's back in New York for a little bit. And we have been chatting, but I thought I'd call her on Skype quickly, because I don't know what time it is there. I think it's maybe late morning, and it's 1 AM here. Let's see if she's in.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Yeah, good. It's starting to get warm here, so we're going to hike some stuff. And working on videos.
I thought it was snowing,
You
like...
guys, did you go to China?
I thought it was snowing last week.
I know, it was. It was snowing. Yeah, like 5 days ago it was snowing, and now it's like 70 degrees, so.
Sweet.
Don't know.
I've missed you.
I missed you too. But I'll see you in, like, next week. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, when we go to Florida, which is like in between Tokyo and Brazil, we are gonna stop into Playlist Live, and I'm gonna see Raya, which will be really nice. Are you gonna be waiting at the airport when we arrive?
Yeah, I can't wait. Yeah, well, my flight arrives like an hour before yours, so yeah.
Awesome. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna carry on chatting to Raya for a little bit before I start editing, but it was nice to see you on my video, at least. Yeah. Guys, look, she's still alive. We're still together.
I haven't seen you guys in so long.
We're still together, don't worry. And now I'm gonna edit, guys, and I've just picked up a Red Bull from the place, the reception, and it looks really weird, and I'm scared. I think this might be a lot stronger than normal Red Bulls. I don't even know if it is real Red Bull. It's got the logo in there. Do you think this is real? Anyway, I'm gonna do that and then try and get my edit up for you guys. And then tomorrow I've got a bunch of edits to catch up with, but I'm also very much looking forward to exploring Shanghai. I'll catch you in the morning. Peace out, enjoy life, and live the adventure. Boom.